We want to keep our language and culture strong for our children. Kalmora, welcome, welcome.
It's fantastic.
Absolutely brilliant, yeah.
And this amazing light show.
And the sound and the lights, they all sort of wake up all them extra senses, and that sort of wakes you right up to it.
I hope you can come and join us here at Desert Park, Alice Springs for Parrtjima. A free event, a little something for everyone. Film, dance, music, talks, and of course, incredible light installations and the light up of the Rangers show. You can't see it anywhere else in the world, so come and join us.